cake in just 9 minutes in the pressure cooker. Save your time and your money. So guys, here we're gonna start the traditional way. I'm gonna add 4 eggs. And you can make any cake like this, including boxed ones. Now let me whisk the eggs a little bit. And you can do it by hand, pretty easy to make. Doesn't need a hand mixer or a blender. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup of sugar. Put it there. Now mix it very well. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, alright? Butter in. And get back to mix. Next step, we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And 1 cup of water. But we're adding it gradually, okay? Flour first. Add some water. Then mix, adding little by little, alright? After adding all the flour and water, I'm gonna add half cup of chocolate powder, okay? Because I like chocolate cake. Okay, add the chocolate. Now let's mix again. And now to finish, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, okay? Mix one more time. Okay, now for the next step, take your pressure cooker and grease it with butter or vegetable oil, okay? Then just add all the batter in. Now cover. Turn on over low heat, alright? And as soon as it gets pressure, let it cook for 9 minutes, okay? Then just turn off the heat and wait until the pressure comes off naturally. But if it doesn't get pressure, just cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is a great way to save cooking gas, because right now it's way expensive. Here where I live, unfortunately, it's about 130 bucks a month. Comment below how much it costs where you live, where you're from, and how much you've been paying. So guys, here it is. It didn't get pressure, so after 15 minutes, I'm gonna turn off the heat. And in this case, because it didn't get pressure, it's safe to open again. And now, let's check it out. See how nice it looks. Look, let me stick it there. And as you can see, it's pretty dry. That's pretty cool, guys. Now just wait for it to cool down a little bit and I'm gonna show you. Well, I think now we're good to go. Can you see it? It's pretty loose already. But because of this border, we're not able to take it off, unfortunately. If yours doesn't have it, you can unmold or take it off. But it's pretty loose already. Now I'll cut a slice for you guys. So here it is. Look at the big boy I cut here. And look how beautiful it is. Pretty fluffy, well baked. So guys, try this out. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it.